Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start on the home screen. Sign into the Ps4 account that made the purchases so you see the right history. Press up to the function area, then navigate to your user icon and press X to open your profile. Once there, choose Account Management. This is the gateway to all transaction records, and you need it because only account owners can view purchase receipts and subscriptions. Now, from Account Management, move to Payment Management or Wallet, and then select Transaction History. This is where purchases, refunds, and wallet top-ups live. Once done, apply the year and month filters so you don't scroll through everything. Make sure to change the account currency or region if items look missing. Use L1 and R1 to flip pages, and pause on any entry to see details like date. Finally, select any transaction to open its full receipt. This shows the order ID, amount, and payment method which you'll need for refunds or disputes. If something's missing, make sure you're on the correct PSN account and region, because purchases don't transfer across regions. If problems persist, note the order ID and date, then contact PlayStation support. Providing those details speeds resolution and avoids repeated verification steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.